Alright, hey guys, I'm back at DMP Sports Cards with Chris. He's filming again, and he just got in 2011, 2012 Limited. Here's the box. It looks kind of nice, the white box this year. And just get ready, guys. It's going to be a long, epic break. One pack per box of Limited. This year it's in silver, which is kind of cool. And let's see. We're going to start off with a Patrice Bergeron base card. Next up we have a Paul Stastny base card. Patrick Waugh base card. And then it looks like I got some thicker cards coming in. So let's see what we got. First of all, we have a Teemu Hartkinen Oilers autograph.
Nice.
Pretty nice.
Cool auto.
Been getting a lot of this guy, actually. We have a jersey card of Joe Mullen.
Bronze foil.
This is numbered, actually, 24 of 99. That card, I'm not sure.
The rookie card is 155 of 299.
Okay. And we have a Crease Cleaners Marty Brodeur. Nice gigantic white space there.
The ones I've seen autoed
48 to 49.
are autoed in the
Or
blue
on here.
crease. Yeah.
Interesting. And this is actually a pretty nice card. Jumbo Jumbo Patch.
Two
or
color?
Prime. Two
Prime.
color.
They call it a prime jersey.
Yeah, not a patch, but a prime. This is a 45 of 50.
Cool.
Cool. Thanks, Chris.
You got it.